Hi guys, my name is Ronald R. Publo. Today I'm gonna explain the shortest remaining time first algorithm machine problem. As we can see here, I use 5 process A, B, C, D, and E, and the arrival time is 0, 3, 4, 6, 10, and the burst time is 8, 4, 7, 3, and 2. As we can see here in initialization at time 0, A is the only process in the queue, so it starts execution. So we'll start step-by-step execution. At time 3, B arrives. B has a shorter burst time than the remaining burst time of A, so B preempts A. At time 4, C arrives, but B continues execution because each remaining time is still less than C's burst time. At time 6, D arrives. D has a shorter burst time than the remaining burst time of B, so D preempts B. At time 9, D finishes execution and the scheduler picks the process with the shortest remaining time from the ready queue. D continues from time 9 to 10 and completes. Next, the scheduler picks the process with the shortest remaining time, which is A. A continues from time 10 but is preempted by E, which arrives at time 10. E executes from time 10 to 12 and completes. The scheduler then picks the process with the shortest remaining time, which is A. A continues from time 12 to 17 and completes. Finally, C, which is the only remaining process, starts execution. Then lastly, C executes from time 17 to 24 and completes. So we will compute the turnaround time of process A, B, C, D, and E. So process A has 17 minus 0 is equal to 17. B has 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. C has 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. D has 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, while E has 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So we will compute the waiting time of A, B, C, D, and E. A has 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. B has 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. C has 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. D has 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, while E has 10 minus 10 is equal to 0.